First mover Americas. Bitcoin holds below $75,000 before expected U.S. rate cut. The latest price moves in crypto markets in context for November 7, 2024. This article originally appeared in First Mover, CoinDesk's daily newsletter, putting the latest moves in crypto markets in context. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. Latest prices. CoinDesk 20 Index, 2,238.35 plus 1.98%. Bitcoin, BTC $75,007.25 plus 0.43%. Ether, ETH $2,809.39 plus 6.34%. S&P 500, 5,929.04 plus 2.53%. Gold, $2,665.75 minus 0.07%. Nikkei 225, 39,381.41 to 0.25%. Top stories. Bitcoin traded around $75,000 during the European morning, about 2% lower than the all-time high of nearly $76,500 set Wednesday. Following Donald Trump's election victory, attention will turn to the next round of interest rate cuts by the Fed, with analysts forecasting a 25 basis point reduction later Thursday. While lower borrowing costs are generally seen as a bullish signal for risk assets such as crypto, this one might prove to be a non-event. The CME's FedWatch tool shows traders are assigning a nearly 100% chance of the Fed trimming the benchmark rate to 4.5% to 4.7%. So the reduction is already priced in. BTC's rally to an all-time high on Wednesday coincided with massive inflows into ETFs, which added a net $621.9 million, snapping a three-day streak of outflows. What was noteworthy was the strong inflows came despite market leader BlackRock's IBIT seeing net outflows of $69 million. Trading volume in the ETF was at a record level, according to Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas. IBIT just had its biggest volume day ever with $4.1 billion traded, Balchunas wrote. It was also up 10%, its second-best day since launching. Some of this will convert into inflows. IBIT's outflows were offset by over $300 million of inflows for Fidelity's FBTC and over $100 million apiece for ARK21 shares, ARKB, Bitwise BITB and Grayscale's BTC. Ether is over 7% higher in the last 24 hours, outperforming the broader digital asset market, which has risen by 2.7%, as measured by the CoinDesk 20 Index. ETH crossed $2,800 for the first time since early August, breaking out of the $2,300 to $2,600 range that has persisted even while other coins were rallying. President-elect Trump's victory may be stirring hopes of a DeFi renaissance, and with it a breakout in the price of Ether. DeFi renaissance thesis is progressing as expected with Trump deregulation and crypto-friendly policy and rulemaking from Republican admin and Senate, wrote Arthur Chong, co-founder at Defiance Capital, in an X post. Chart of the day. The chart shows short and long-term risk reversals, 25RR, measuring the spread between pricing for call and put options. Risk reversals are positive, signaling a bias for calls or a bullish outlook. Short-duration risk reversals now exhibit a relatively stronger call bias, a sign of bullish euphoria that usually presages price corrections. Source: Amber Data. Omkar Godbol. Trending posts. German Chancellor Scholz calls snap election as coalition government collapses. Trump's biggest boon to crypto would be passing the Bitcoin Act. CoinShares. SEC seeks to dismiss 3 of Kraken's key defenses in U.S. lawsuit.